Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to study how to write IUPAC name of benzene derivatives or monosubstituted benzene, disubstituted benzene and trisubstituted benzene. Children, the IUPAC name of monosubstituted benzene is obtained by placing the name of substituent as prefix to parent skeleton, which is benzene. Before that, we would study what is benzene. As you know, benzene has molecular formula C6H6. If I want to write its bond line formula, this would be its bond line formula, where on the corner of hexagon there are 6 carbon atoms and each carbon atom is bonded with one hydrogen atom, and there are single and double covalent bond which are arranged alternatively inside the benzene ring. So let's start mono-substituted benzene compounds. Let's take example like children, one compound I have where one hydrogen is replaced by Cl. Another compound I have where one hydrogen is replaced by nitro group. Another compound I have where one hydrogen is replaced by OH. Let's write their name. As I said earlier, we used to write name of this monosubstituted benzene by placing the name of substituent as prefix to the benzene. So name of the compound would be chlorobenzene. Similarly, name of the second compound would be nitrobenzene. Children, the name of this compound is given as phenol, which is needed to kept in your mind. Let's take some more example like children. For example, this is one compound where you are seeing NH2 group. One compound where you are seeing a methyl group. Let's take one more where you are seeing hydrogen is replaced by COOH group. Another compound where you will see hydrogen is replaced by CHO group. So what names would be written to these compounds? Children, this compound would be called as aniline. This compound containing methyl group is called as toluene. This compound containing COOH group is called as benzoic acid, and this is called as benzaldehyde. So these are the monosubstituted compound. So children, let's move further. Like if you see here in toluene, what is happening? One hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group, and an alkyl group is containing only one carbon atom or methyl group. It is called as toluene. What if the alkyl group is present on benzene ring and it has more than 6 carbon atom? How to write name of such compound? Let's see children. Suppose children, this is the compound where this alkyl substituent is larger than the benzene ring. It is containing how many? 7 carbon atoms. So in that case, we used to treat benzene ring as substituent, and when benzene ring is treated as substituent, it would be called as phenyl. Like ethyl methyl group, it is called as phenyl. So what would we write name? We would write on second carbon atom phenyl is present and the name of parent chain. So name of the compound would be 2-phenyl heptane. This would be the name of the compound which is written on the screen, children. Now we will talk about dye substituents या फिर derivatives of benzene where there is dye substituent are present, or more than one substituents or two substituents are present. Now let's see, children, dye substituted benzene derivatives. If you see here the two examples on the screen where two hydrogen atoms of benzene molecule are replaced by two different substituents. In compound number 1, one methyl group is present and chloro is present. Let's see, children. Children, if you see carefully, this is carbon number 1. If I say this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Children, when we are talking about dye substitution, then after first substitution, the immediate second carbon atom position is called as ortho, represented by O. Immediate next to ortho is meta, represented by M. And next to meta is called para position, called as P, represented by P. So children, if this Cl was not there in the compound, suppose the compound is called as toluene, and on fourth position chloro is present now, and I can also say on para position chloro is present. So I can write name like 4 chloro toluene, or another name would be para chloro toluene. Similarly, children, if in this compound Cl is not there, it would be called as aniline. So this is carbon number 1 and this is carbon number 2. This is the second position of this benzene ring is called as ortho position when mono substitution happened already, and we are assuming NH2 is already present in the ring. So the name would be 2-chloro aniline or ortho chloro aniline. This would be the IUPAC name of dye substituted derivatives. Now let's take one more example, and one more example is like, you can say this is an example where you are seeing chloro and nitro both are present. Let's write it carefully. Chloro and nitro are present. Children, if you see carefully, we can start numbering alphabetically. So this would be 1, this would be 2, and this would be third carbon atom. And alphabetically if we start, so Cl would be treated as prefix. So 1 chloro, 3 nitro benzene would be the name of the compound, or metachloronitrobenzene would be the IUPAC name of this compound. So children, this is how we used to write name of di-substituted benzene derivatives. So now we will talk about tri-substituted benzene derivatives. Now children, tri-substituted benzene derivatives. If more than two substituents are attached to benzene ring, numbers are used to indicate their relative positions following the alphabetical order and lowest locant rule. We used to provide the lowest locant number to the substituent and then write the name alphabetically. If I see carefully for the first compound, this is position number 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this would be 4, 5 and 6. So what would I call it? The name of the compound would be 1, 2, 4, tri bromobenzene. This is how we will write name of the compound. Now let's see children another compound. Children, we have to take care of alphabets as well as the substituents lowest locant number. So according to that, I will give this chloro position 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. On 1 position there is chloro and 2 and 4 position I am seeing here nitro. So what would be the name? The name would be 1 chloro, then 2 4 di nitro benzene. This is how I will write name of this compound. Now let's see one more. Children, if in this compound Cl and NO2 would not be there, the compound with benzene ring and OH group is called as phenol. So this phenol OH position is 1 because I am considering the name of compound is phenol. OH is 1, on second carbon chloro, third, and on fourth carbon atom nitro group is present. So I will write name of this compound as 2 chloro, then 4 nitro phenol. So children, this is the way of writing the IUPAC name of tri-substituted benzene derivatives. Thank you children.